This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Hunters Creek, and this is a Hunters Creek beauty, 3/2 pool home without carpet. All tile and wood floors for easy maintenance. New screen around pool, which make for much more convivial entertaining. Granite and decorative light fixtures and ceiling fans. Great room plan overlooking the sliders to the pool and breakfast bar, great for entertaining. Nice appliance package. Large 2-car garage west opener. Interior recently repainted. Enjoy all the amenities of Hunters Creek and the lifestyle it offers. Easy access to the parks and the freeway network. Rent includes lawn and pool maintenance, so worry-free living. More pics coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.